nawawala. Nawawala ang ating yan. Ako yung may tatawagan lang. Importante. Importante. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ako ay naka-live. Happy birthday to you. Ang ganda ng weather. Happy birthday. Batiin natin lahat ang mga may birthday ngayon. Especially ang ating mahal na karuba. Mga kababayan. Maligayang bati sa lahat ng may birthday. Okay. Kumusta na may birthday? Kalimutan kong tinapay ko. Kakaapura ng mga kaibigan dahil sa kakaapura. Naiwan ko. Happy birthday. Karuba, happy birthday. Kamusta na? Anong oras na dyan? Ha? Late na pala ako. Late na ako bumati. Late na ang pagbati ko sa'yo. Dapat alas 12. Dapat alas 12. Wala, kalimutan ko yung tinapay ko kakaapura. Oh my God. Grabe. Bukas may optical appointment tayo. Alas 7. Pero yung ating eyeglass ay sa October pa due, 2 years. So, pero anyway, ito yung old na eyeglasses ko. Ito yung hinahanap ko. Siguro papalitan ko na lang yung frame. Ayan. Andun, nakakalat doon. Pero sira-sira na kasi ito ano. Pero siguro tanggalin na lang ito ano. Tapos sa hotel. Tapos na lang ay ano. Ewan ko magkano nga. Celebrant. Okay na okay ba? Bakit naman? Okay lang. Ulan is ulan. Walang problema. Di kasi sabi mo wala kasi wala kamong tao. Ay, hindi pa. Kala ko Kala ka bumalik ulit eh. Pero Friday na ba dyan? Friday na ba dyan? Mahina. Kailangan talaga na yung grade ko ay taas na. Ito yung mga murahin. $2 lang. Ang darang gamitin ko. Naisip ko kasi kung ito. Pwede rin. Where's that? Fire? Okay rin ba ito? Para ito na lang. No? Frame na lang. Hindi, pwede lang gawin. Mura. Kasi ang coverage ko 325 ng mata. Mari kukuha ka ng eyeglass. Kailangan pag sumobra ka dun kasi bayaran mo din. Pero sa October pa. Happy birthday to you. May fire, no? Yate. Fire. Kalimutan ko yung tinapay ko. Parang plano ko. I know. The dentist. Dentist can wait. Makapag-aantay yung dentist.
This was a challenging fire to battle, according to Los Angeles County Fire, because you couldn't drive a fleet of fire engines in to put it out. Plus, with what looked like fireworks exploding,
Smart naman yung ano.
there was ammunition on
Smart
board.
naman siya. Smart
They had
naman
to
siya.
use extreme caution as they approached Oriana. Initial reports said that the person drowned, but after who's found seen it didn't say that there were no persons drowned. No injuries reported. Crews on scene started to find water and foam to the fire. But with no fire detection,
That's so cool.
between applying water and also not sinking the foam. So that dance kind of happens.
This whole body is a fiber. Majority
Orange.
using the fiber.
Wow, that's a $1 million yacht.
Nobody got hurt. The cause is still under investigation.
Fire.